Hello language enthusiasts, this is CS English. Have come with math test. It can be useful to assess the standard of math skill of your students. If a student answers most of the questions correctly, it could indicate a good understanding of the math concepts covered in 5th grade. Let's assume that answering 16 to 20 questions correctly out of 20 indicates an exceptional performance, 11 to 15 questions correct indicates an above-average performance, 6 to 10 questions correct indicates an average performance, and fewer than 6 questions correct indicates a below-average performance. To understand your kid's performance, here is a wonderful test. And one more thing, we can learn language also by listening to the teacher.
Arithmetic operations. What is the product of 7 and 8? A. 14. B. 49. C. 56. D. 64. If 15 is subtracted from 42, what is the result? A. 27. B. 30. C. 35. D. 57. Which of the following fractions is equivalent to 3/5? A. 6/10. B. 4/5. C. 9/15. D. 2/3. What is the value of 5 times the sum of 7 and 3? A. 25. B. 40. C. 50. D. 70. Geometry. How many sides does a hexagon have? A. 4. B. 5. C. 6. D. 7. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 8 units and width 5 units? A. 10 units. B. 18 units. C. 26 units. D. 40 units. What is the area of a square with side length 6 units? A. 12 square units. B. 24 square units. C. 36 square units. D. 42 square units. Which of the following shapes has exactly one pair of parallel sides? A. Triangle. B. Square. C. Trapezoid. D. Circle. Fractions and decimals. What is 3/4 as a decimal? A. 0.25, B. 0.50, C. 0.75, D. 1.00. Which of the following fractions is greater than 1/2? A. 3/7, B. 2/5, C. 4/9, D. 5/8. Add 2/3 and 1/6. A. 1/3, B. 1/2, C. 3/4, D. 5/6. Subtract 0.75 from 1.5. A. 0.25, B. 0.50, C. 0.75, D. 1.00. Measurement. How many centimeters are there in 1 meter? A. 10, B. 100, C. 1000, D. 10,000. What is the perimeter of a square with side length 9 inches? A. 18 inches, B. 27 inches, C. 36 inches, D. 81 inches. If there are 60 minutes in an hour, how many minutes are there in 3 hours? A. 120, B. 150, C. 180, D. 210. What is the volume of a cube with side length 4 units? A. 8 cubic units, B. 16 cubic units, C. 32 cubic units, D. 64 cubic units. Data and probability. If a spinner is divided into 6 equal parts numbered 1 to 6, what is the probability of spinning an odd number? A. 1/2, B. 1/3, C. 1/4, D. 1/6. Which of the following graphs represents the number of students in each grade level in a school? A. Bar graph, B. Line graph, C. Pie chart, D. Scatter plot. If there are 20 red marbles and 30 blue marbles in a bag, what is the probability of randomly selecting a red marble? A. 1/4. B. 1/3. C. 1/2. D. 2/3. What is the median of the following set of numbers 7, 9, 12, 15, 21? A. 9. B. 12. C. 15. D. 18.